Okay, it's Monday, which is our off day, so we are about to go to Big Beach, which is also known as McKenna Beach, which is also known as Breakneck Beach, because the waves there break right at the shore. So rather than like building and then crashing and hitting the shore, it's like build, 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 and they just crash right on shore. Not a great place to always go and get in, but if you catch it on a good day, so fun. It's always beautiful regardless. This water is too clear for Jake to be naked right now. They're here! Okay, I'm gonna do a cartwheel and hold the camera. Look at this camaraderie. All the boys with their hats. Future dads of America.
Can you tell us what Hot Girl Summer is truly about from a lady perspective herself?
Hot Girl Summer.
All of you guys experience lake life at Hot Girl Summer. It's lake life.
All right, Abby.
Hot Girl Summer
Spring
is a
break.
mindset.
It's spring break in Panama.
This is like a debate.
All right, Abby.
Hot Girl Summer is a mindset.
Absolutely no responsibilities.
But that's not how we do Hot Girl Summer here. Here, Hot Girl Mindset is year round. You live your best life. You take care of your emotional baggage because you need to, not for another man.
Dismiss all their emotions for a year. Go dress up in your cute outfit at the restaurant. Go out with all your girlfriends.
A hot outfit. Here we have a victim of Hot Girl Summer.
Auntie, you look really buff in this shot, bro. Can you flex?
This is about Hot Girl Summer.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me turn the camera off. Sorry.
Okay, I'm looking for Emily. It's 6 a.m. This is the first time I've spoken in like 6 hours. She's here! Look at this vlogging. I love that you're vlogging. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Finally! First Chick-fil-A in months. Oh my gosh, they're literally glowing in this light. Picturing a fast-paced montage. It's so weird but also like really refreshing to be in a big city. Going from Maui, which is like sleepy small town vibes, to being in LA is just like crazy. The weirdest thing has been the freeway, because on Maui it's literally like the fastest we ever go is 35 miles per hour, maybe like 40 on our one highway. But other than that, like that's it. And then over here, we're just like zooming around. Okay, how do you feel? I'm excited! First premiere!
Ooh, go to fancy theater!
Okay, we're going.
It's time.
Okay, we are back. I guess I didn't explain. Is this okay to like put on the internet? Yeah. I'm a production assistant for the visual effects department, and I got to work on Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. You definitely, when you see this movie, have to remember Sam Raimi directed it, and it is their first little trip into the horror movie kind of side of things. It was designed to be dark, and I feel like it nailed that. Well, the next exciting part of my month is COVID. Hence the Gatorade collection here. Found a new flavor. She's real cute. Yeah, I was like contemplating whether or not I would put this in the vlog, because social media definitely shows the highlights, which honestly I think that's kind of what it's made for. I honestly get on social media because I want to hear your fun and exciting updates, and like if you're my close friend, I'm gonna hear the hard parts too when we catch up on the phone or in person. I'm not the type to be like, this is your reminder, social media is a lie, because like, no, the highlights aren't a lie, they're just a part, and social media is only a part.
We are hiking Waimea Canyon today in Kauai. We're so excited.
Wow, what a beautiful view.
I'm gonna do yoga.
Oh my gosh, don't. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll call it good.
I didn't know people still bought those cameras.
Huh?
Like bought cameras. I didn't know people still had cameras like this.
They do. It's me.